Imagine preparing a wonderful, nutritious meal for a loved one, especially someone needing extra care, like during a health challenge. You want every bite to be perfectly safe and nourishing, ensuring their well-being. But sometimes, hidden dangers can lurk in our kitchens, even when we think we are being careful, posing a risk to those with sensitive immune systems. So, how do you avoid raw food germs on cooked meals? The most important step is preventing cross-contamination, which means keeping raw ingredients strictly separate from ready-to-eat foods throughout your entire cooking process. This practice is absolutely essential for maintaining food safety. The reason this separation is so crucial is simple. Raw meats, poultry, and seafood naturally contain various bacteria, such as Salmonella or E. coli, which are harmful if consumed. Even fresh produce can carry germs from the soil. These microscopic organisms can easily transfer from a raw food item to a surface, a clean utensil, or directly to a cooked food, creating a pathway for illness, particularly for someone with a sensitive immune system. Now, how can you put this into practice every day to protect your loved ones? Start by designating separate cutting boards. For example, use one brightly colored board for raw proteins and a different color or material board for vegetables and cooked foods. This simple visual cue helps you keep things distinct and prevents germ transfer. Always use different utensils too, like a separate knife for trimming raw chicken and another for slicing cooked vegetables. And speaking of hands, wash them thoroughly with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds before and after handling any raw ingredient. Beyond utensils and hands, always clean and sanitize any surfaces that have touched raw food immediately after use. This includes countertops, sinks, and even the handles of your refrigerator or cabinets if you touch them with unwashed hands. When storing groceries, place raw meats, poultry, and seafood on the lowest shelves in your refrigerator, ideally in sealed containers, to prevent their juices from dripping onto other foods. Also, ensure you use a food thermometer to cook all meats and poultry to their safe internal temperatures, leaving no doubt about their readiness. To take your food safety practices to the next level, consider establishing dedicated zones in your kitchen. This might involve a specific area of your counter for raw food preparation only, effectively creating a barrier against potential contamination. By adopting these consistent habits, you become an expert in safeguarding every meal. Remember, true care in the kitchen goes beyond delicious flavors. It extends to ensuring every dish is impeccably safe. Implementing these seemingly small changes makes a huge difference in the overall safety and quality of the meals you prepare, especially for those with compromised health. By diligently preventing cross-contamination, you provide not just nourishment, but also immense peace of mind, knowing you are actively protecting the well-being of everyone at your table.